I'm Jim DeGrand. I'm the Assistant State Climatologist for Ohio. I'm a staff member in geography, and I'm out here today with Aaron Wilson and Jacob Thompson, student from my class in microclimate instrumentation. We're setting up this station for the Farm Science Review, which is starting in just a couple of days. The station itself is very simple. It's a very sleek little installation. We have one sensor called a ClimaView 50. It's an all-in-one style sensor which measures solar radiation, temperature, humidity, wind speed and direction, and sea level pressure. The station's very low powered. It's powered by this solar panel at the top of the mast there, and we're getting the signal via cell phone modem, which is installed in this little black box at the bottom. So we hope to have live data from this station piped directly to our State Climate Office server and available online at the Farm Science Review this year. Thanks very much for watching.